Every year, around 1 million tons of pistachios are consumed worldwide. To meet that enormous demand, giant harvesting machines collect and process tons of nuts every season. But how are billions of pistachios planted, harvested, and processed? In this video, we'll discover how one of the world's most delicious snack foods is produced. Pistachios are one of the oldest nuts ever consumed by humans. People have been eating them for more than 9,000 years. For centuries, they were considered a valuable food, and in many cultures, a delicacy reserved for kings and nobles because of their rich flavor, long shelf life, and ability to stay fresh when stored dry. California is one of the world's leading pistachio producers. Vast orchards stretch across the San Joaquin Valley, where the hot climate and long summers create ideal growing conditions for these nuts. Growing pistachios requires patience. A tree can take up to 8 years before producing its first crop. Every season, massive harvesting machines move through the orchards, shaking the branches so the split-shell pistachios fall and can be collected without damaging the kernels. California growers produce around 550 million pounds of pistachios each year, accounting for more than 1/3 of the world's total supply. But achieving that level of production requires significant time and investment. The journey begins inside 4,300 square-foot greenhouses. This nursery grows more than 1 million new pistachio trees every year. Each seedling requires special care and must be kept in a highly humid environment at a constant temperature of around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, conditions that mimic the climate pistachios need to grow strong and healthy. An especially harsh winter could destroy an entire crop before the trees have a chance to mature. That's why, during their first 3 months, the young plants receive intensive care in the nursery, including controlled irrigation, proper nutrients, and constant protection from pests and temperature fluctuations. After 3 months, the seedlings are strong enough to be transplanted outdoors, where they'll face sun, wind, and changing weather conditions. When the trees reach 1 year of age, they undergo careful pruning. Growers focus especially on the lower portion of the plant, known as the rootstock. This section will become the sturdy foundation of the future fruit-bearing tree. The next step is grafting the upper portion of the plant. In this case, growers use a bud from a different variety known as Kerman, famous for its high quality and productivity. Without this graft, the tree would grow healthy but produce only leaves and no nuts. By combining a hardy rootstock with a Kerman graft, growers create trees with strong roots and branches capable of producing premium quality pistachios. Once grafted, the trees are planted in long rows that can stretch nearly a quarter mile. Only female trees produce pistachios, but they must be pollinated in order to bear fruit. For that reason, one male tree is planted for roughly every 25 female trees. During flowering season, the male trees release pollen that fertilizes the females. This strategic arrangement maximizes pollination and helps ensure high yields throughout the orchard. Thanks to years of care and strategic pruning, the trees finally reach maturity about 6 years after planting. They are now large, healthy, and productive, producing their first significant harvests. As the shells begin to split open, they reveal the characteristic green kernel inside, a sign that the pistachios are ripe and ready for harvest. But this stage also makes them especially vulnerable. Open shell pistachios are exposed to insects, pests, and mold spores. Timing is critical. Growers have only about 1 week to harvest more than 300 tons of pistachios directly from the trees. Every day counts, and the pressure to harvest the crop at peak quality is enormous. At dawn, the quiet orchard is interrupted by the roar of heavy machinery. This unusual machine is a tree shaker designed to replace the work of hundreds of hand pickers. Equipped with catch frames that collect the falling nuts, these massive harvesters clamp onto the trunk and apply powerful vibrations. The shaking causes ripe pistachios to fall rapidly from the branches. In just 5 seconds, a single tree shaker can remove thousands of pistachios from one tree. The machine's sloped catch surfaces guide the nuts onto a large auger, which gently transports them into trailers. The trailers fill quickly, holding up to 5 tons of freshly harvested pistachios. Once loaded, they leave the orchard and unload their valuable cargo onto conveyor belts that transfer the nuts to trucks. To prevent mold contamination, the pistachios must be processed within 24 hours. After traveling roughly 45 miles from the orchards, they arrive at a processing facility capable of handling more than 15,000 tons of pistachios every year. Upon arrival, the nuts still retain their reddish outer hulls, a clear sign that they were recently harvested and remain fresh. The first processing step is removing the outer hull. The pistachios are submerged in water, where empty shells and lightweight debris float to the surface while healthy, fully developed nuts sink to the bottom. Once separated, the wet pistachios move into massive drying towers standing nearly 40 feet tall. There, streams of warm air remove excess moisture without damaging the kernels, preparing the pistachios for sorting and packaging. Although the entire crop is harvested during a short season, pistachios are consumed year-round. As a result, most of the harvest must be stored for future distribution. Inside the facility, enormous storage structures reaching heights of over 65 feet hold more than 700 million pistachios. The nuts are stored in cool, dry conditions that keep them fresh for nearly a year. But before they can be sold, they must go through another important step: quality, grading, and sizing. The pistachios are transported in containers to a massive 118,000 square foot sorting area. There, they receive a vigorous shake inside a sizing machine. As the nuts move through the system, smaller pistachios fall through specially sized openings, while the larger, more valuable nuts continue along the production line. The next step separates pistachios whose shells have naturally opened from those that remain completely closed. Large rotating drums gently tumble the nuts to make this separation possible. Every pistachio then passes through a sophisticated high-tech scanner. The system can process up to 5 tons per hour while inspecting each nut for cracks, defects, and imperfections. Whenever a pistachio fails to meet quality standards, a burst of air automatically removes it from the line. About 3% of the harvest is rejected during this stage. This strict quality control ensures that only the best pistachios move on to roasting and packaging. Next, a team of 20 experienced workers performs another inspection, carefully examining the nuts for any defects that may have escaped the automated systems. However, even the most meticulous inspectors cannot stop fungal contamination. That's why the pistachios undergo a pasteurization process. A temperature of 234 degrees Fahrenheit is enough to kill harmful fungi without actually cooking the nuts. Massive dryers then continue reducing the moisture content until the pistachios reach approximately 5% moisture, the ideal level for maximum crunch, flavor, and shelf life. Finally, the pistachios are bagged, packed, and stacked onto pallets, ready for shipment. From here, they begin their journey to stores and homes around the world. If you want to know how Doritos are made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.